Success means seeing and recognizing new developments, shaping and setting trends. Trends in design with new materials. The decisive factor is quality. For example, in design, frames from the house of Silhouette underline the personality of the wearer, with outstanding design, excellent wearing properties and maximum functionality. Timelessly beautiful. Silhouette in clear-cut design. Lightweight with maximum wearing comfort in top materials. Whether ophthalmic eyewear or sunglasses. Precision tools are a basic prerequisite for the high quality of Silhouette products. Design takes place on computers, production following in a state-of-the-art toolmaking department. Here, tools are created with accuracies of 1/1000th of a millimeter, using a combination of manual skills and the very latest equipment. Silhouette produces all its tools in-house, along with many of the machines and jigs employed. Top-class technology and motivated employees. Silhouette trains a large number of apprentices, thus guaranteeing that sufficient skilled workers will continue to be available to turn the ideas of the designers into reality. Pieces of very hard metal wire of varying diameters are produced in high-precision automatic reducing machines. The thickness of the reduced metal parts is accurate to 1/1000th of a millimeter and is carefully checked. The reduced blank wire is turned into a side piece in a single operation. A pressure of 450 tons provides the metal with the desired shape without the use of any additional heat. High-precision punching tools are vital to the creation of the exact contours of the metal part. Continuous checks on results form the basis for products of perfect quality. This also applies to the polishing of the semis using ceramic abrasives. The metal parts are subsequently provided with additional polishing by means of birch wood and abrasion additives. The smallest semis are joined using induction soldering processes. The most important factor in this regard is the addition of the solder at the right moment and in the correct quantity. Precise machine setting is essential during the welding of small functional parts. Pre-processed semis are joined together by means of induction soldering to form complete frames. Optical temperature controls ensure the correct temperature of the soldering points. Embossed markings indicate the percentage of gold in the base material. It is this marking that guarantees the authenticity and value of the material employed. Sputtering is another technique for the surface finishing of metal and plastic parts. The process takes place in a sputtering chamber, where individual molecules of target plates made of special metals such as gold, titanium, ruthenium and chrome are separated, accelerated and centrifuged onto the surface of the frames. This special production technique for metal and plastic parts was specially developed by Silhouette and guarantees high resistance to ultraviolet radiation, mechanical and chemical impact. The work of the color designers provides the basis for serial coloring. The various shades are mixed according to prescribed recipes with the aid of a color computer. Tampon printing enables the addition of fine and extremely precise printed patterns to eyewear components. Symbols and logo types can be stamped onto framing parts using this process. Quality checks take place immediately after printing. Colorless SPX granulate is the basic material employed for synthetic frames. It is uniformly blended with finely pigmented color powder in mixing systems. Silhouette utilizes the injection molding process for the production of synthetic frames made of the high-tech SPX material. Color is applied to defined areas layer for layer on the very latest multicolor printing machines under clean room conditions. Sun protection lenses are specially milled by Silhouette using high-speed machines with diamond heads. These lenses are made from top-quality polycarbonate, with or without polarization filter. Before the glasses are delivered, a last quality check is completed in the final control section. Every eyewear model from Silhouette is a quality Austrian product of the highest precision.